How to log in Microsoft account without password. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Type in account.microsoft.com. Search for it. You'll be led to the official website of Microsoft. You can sign in to your account. Enter your email, phone or Skype over here. Tap on the option Next. You'll be prompted to get a code in order to sign in. If you tap on the option Other ways to sign in, you can also see other ways. Since you do not want to use the password, you can find other ways like approve sign in with a mobile app, get a code to your email. Depending on the sign in methods that you've added, you'll also be able to see other options over here. So simply tap on the option other than password. I'm just going to use the code. Now enter the code sent to your email. Open the Gmail on your device. Find the email sent by the Microsoft. Tap on it. Over here you'll be able to see the code. Memorize this code or you can also copy it. Go back to the browser. Now enter the code that you copied over here. Wait for a while. Now you'll be logged into your account without using your password. Like this, you can log in Microsoft account without using password. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.